Good morning, everybody. Creole boy there again. We're doing these lighters. Start off on North Street. Kinda wet this morning. Raining. This place used to be Bottom Dollar. Before that, it used to be almost like one storage area. Actually owned by Sancas. Morning. So that the Belize River. So that the south side. We're there at the north side. So this is the Holy Redeemer. That right there, so the church affiliated to Holy Redeemer. This house there a long time. For this building, they're a long time.
You take the correct thing, you know, Herman.
You're straight star? Say hello.
Hi, guys.
One of the best tour guide in Belize. Tell me
Have a
friends
good
say
day.
hello. In American.
Hi, guys. Good morning. How you guys doing today?
Later, everybody. I forget to stop up traffic. Yeah, money in the tour business. So right here used to be one bridge we cross. The old bridge before they had the swinging bridge. This right here. It used to be a street. And that right there, the Holy Redeemer. So I have some individual lineup, some individual where I actually just talked to one of my ballet where they worked at the tour company as well. Worked at tour company, work out at tourist village, and where they do a lead walking video and they tell them about some in-depth history. But I'll be around December. Reason being, and they get some equipment wrong then. That's the plan. Because I need one wireless mic and I want to use a mic so I can hear everything. So step up the game now. I have like that'll be the first this gimbal where I have that like the first equipment pretty much specifically for the channel, and then I have this my ballet, then I have like 3 more equipment where I need to get for sure, but timely it's a room never believe in a day, and not that true. Like I said, this is something I love. So I want to go through the alley. I just to try to figure out where the alley name. This is the North Street with the pan now. Well, we start off on North Street. Yeah, but just to mention again, North Street. So make us see if I could find the name. I can't remember that name. But I don't want to tell me about myself, so make her ask. Morning. You know where the alley name? Petticoat alley. Thanks, sweetie. Thanks. Yeah, Petticoat alley. Alright. So I'm going through there. You alright though, Papa? Alright, take care. Petticoat alley. Right here used to be Eden. Up further, Rio. Then you had Palace and Majestic. Right, so oh, I see it right there. They're on the corner of the house. Petticoat alley, see it right there. Right there. Petticoat alley. Oh, I never believe this. Right? This is like the farthest I come. But I never fully gone through Petticoat alley ever yet. This will be the first. So make I know if you not used to live around here, you don't know somebody. Make I know in the comments. Petticoat alley. Oh shucks. Dog like you want to bite somebody, man. Never yet passed through this spot. See, there used to be the numbers there. See, only number 19. Two dogs. Man, I live the dog life. Best life ever. Well, now how you look on it sometimes, because sometimes I really the dog life they live. So all of this dog. Holy Redeemer. Morning. Yes, sir. All the way to the back. So Petticoat alley. So we come out. Don't know what street we're upon now. New road. So I'm not sure either there or there you had a bar. I'm more for some reason I think that this one. And I used to play video games there. Centipede. What's up, big man?
I said, well, what? We have to do it.
Let's say.
Love the other hand.
Yeah, yes, man. Make we
Yes,
wait, hang on.
Anything we want, man, we need a little side.
Yeah.
Top
Say
of the
hello.
rising, people. Top of the rising. A lot more coming your way. Boss Hag.
Don't say it.
You don't know.
My people right here.
All right,
Yeah.
my brother.
Don't say it.
Good to
Respect.
see you,
Yeah,
man.
same man. I
Love
gotta
you,
do
brother.
one leave her in here. Me and you sit down and chat.
Please do, my
Take
brother.
care
I
of
have a lot
yourself.
to talk.
Don't say it. Respect. Yeah, my boy not shy at all. I know them a long time. But what happened, I'm gonna try. Yeah, I know what happened. I have to restart my phone. Because I'm gonna try, yeah, man, you don't know. You don't know. Creole boy, man. Yeah, so what happened, I need to restart my phone, but no problem, because usually with the thing with there right there, so it got me here, right? So I do it like this.
Okay.
Very good. I always watch you on Bluetooth, man. It's very good.
So what you have to tell me fans then?
Well, more about telephone. More or less something very fantastic.
Don't say it.
Keep it up, as in for you, support you because you're doing a very good thing to make the tomorrow. Let's say happen in Belize City.
Don't say it.
And it's a very good cause too as well, because a lot of people don't have no aware of this place that it exists.
Don't say it.
So it's a Central America and it's very good.
Yeah, man.
Take care.
Don't say it.
And I watch you all the time and it's very good.
All right, my Bali. Thanks. Appreciate it. Enough love, man. Yes, sir. Respect. All right. Yeah. My Bali. Lot of love. Yeah. Kind of surprised. For sure. That, you know, when it comes to people don't want, you know, your tech name on YouTube or whatever. So I try my best to be respectful and, you know, just respect people, privacy and whatever, and, you know, just hold my corner. I don't want no way get anybody angry and disrespect nobody, for sure. But I really appreciate when love gets shown my way. I really appreciate that, for sure. My Bali, I know them a long time, and so the man say, yo, I sit down and chat. Yes, man, definitely. Cause they get, like I say, work on a better equipment, so I could sit down and, you know, do some interviews and, you know, really put some added feature up on the channel, for sure. The core want to be walking, but on the real side, I want add to the channel, you know, with information actually, you know. So, with that said, we're going down this lane. We do like a little loop. This is the Dario's. I do a little clip for this, so people they buy up the little Dario's. Yeah, man. I really want to get people perspective on different aspects. Nothing political, religious, just ordinary things. Just keep it real. So I have to, you know, make the questions there and make them look over the questions, and then, you know, follow our guidelines, so, you know, be controversial or, well, to the best of your ability, and be more entertaining slash informative, because yesterday I made a watch Facebook, my little clip on Facebook with emancipation, and it's very interesting. We are here. One of the things there were growing up, you had one rift between the Garifunas and the Creole, and also a rift between both the Garifuna and Creole and the Hispanics. And that nobody tell me about that I see that. And then my mom, my pa explain. And then the ones they never teach racism, prejudice, they actually the opposite. They teach, me to study the opposite. But I used to recognize the situation, you know, and, you know, that just sad. But I'm the facts, you know, growing up in a in Belize. I hear people say the good old days. I don't believe them days make good old days. I believe that you enjoy certain things then we don't have now. Maybe now have more problems, but back then had their own set of problems. Really. Yes, sir. You know? So, I like knowing things, and I like people knowing things as well. For sure. It's morning. And then also about slavery. Like 200 years since slavery come to an end. And then where they tell me it never end right away. Ras. Yes, sir. Slavery never done right away. But it's just interesting because when you go to school, never know anything exists. And when you get older, you get information, then you're like, wow. So a lot of history. And for some reason, man, I love history. That's how you get to understand now. Understand and realize a lot of things happen and the reason why it happened through history. Getting more knowledge of history. Alright, so this is a least light video. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it. And I definitely want to see you know for the next video. I'm gonna take care, stay safe. See you soon. Love all or no. And I want to big up my ballet anyway. Stop and talk to me today. I can't remember their name. Even if I remember the name, whenever I mention it, I would have had to get permission. But yeah, I want to big up all of the ones there where allow me to film there. Ballet right there. Yes, I want to big me up. And when I watch this, enough love, enough respect, man, and thanks on the bottom of my heart. And show them guys love, right? All my viewers, all my subscribers, we got the love for the channel. Hey, show them how we do it in the comments. Take care, stay safe. Shout out to all over the world where follow the channel. Talk to us soon. Let us know it's on site and songs. Bye.